Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing the higher paper series, doing higher paper 3, question 3, and it's about ratio. So Kim, Laura and Molly share £385. The ratio of the amount of money Kim gets to the amount of money Molly gets is 2 to 5, and Kim gets 105 less than Molly. And we want to find out what percentage of the 385 Laura gets. So we know Kim to Molly is 2 parts to 5, and the difference is 105. But we know that the difference in parts is 3 parts. So we know 3 parts is that difference of 105. So 1 part is, and this is a calculator paper, so I can 105 divided by 3 is 35, which means that Kim is getting 70 and Molly is getting 5 lots of that 35, which is 175. So together, they're getting 245 of the 385, which means that Laura is getting what's left over. So 385 minus 245 is 140, but they've asked for that as a percentage, so 140 over 385 times 100 will give me 140 divided by 385.3636 times 100, 36.36%. And have they asked us for a degree of accuracy? No, so 36.36 or 36.4. Those two are recurring. There we go. That's higher paper 3, question 3 on ratio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and continue watching this higher paper series.